Hey YouTubers, this is Electron Man. How you doing today? Well, I got me a new toy in. I thought I'd do a little box opening on it. I bought one of those little WL, I think it's 979 RC cars. I've got a new 30 by 30 shop with a nice smooth floor, so I kind of thought I'd play with a little drift in here, and found this on Banggood. Thought I'd give it a try. They had it on a special, pretty good price. Thought I'd take a look at it and see what we get here. But anyway, here's the box opening. This is the brand new fresh opening. I just got it in. Let's see here. It looks like it kind of pulls out like that. Oh, that's cool how it comes out of there. I like that. Nothing else in the box. Wow, that's smaller than I realized. That's gonna be perfect for a 30 by 30 garage. Golly, that's like be like a mile course with the size of this car to scale. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see here. It looks like it's got a have to cut a zip tie here. Let me get my little handy knife here and cut this off. Yeah, that holds a remote in there. It looks like there might be two of them. Great, and I dropped the instruction manual. Where else are we held? What's holding it here? Nothing. Oops. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the controller out of here. Let's see what we got going here. There's a controller. There's the RC car still mounted in the box. 2.4 gigahertz. Action feels pretty good on it. Power on off switch. Let's see, what is it? I think it holds four. Yep, 4 AA's. No biggie there. Pretty standard stuff. Feels pretty good. I mean, for the price point, I like the rubber grip on the handle. It feels good. Fits good in my hand. Looks like it's got a steering trim and throttle trim, which that would stand to reason. It's a 2-channel radio. Has 2 trims. I don't see any servo reversing. Obviously, it's not a computer radio, but at this price point, I mean, I think it was like $65 to get this here. I wouldn't expect a digital radio. Okay, yeah, it's got a couple more of these zip ties in here. Let me cut these off. See if I can get the car out of here. Really? You gonna be that way? Well, they definitely got it secure in the box. Come on. Okay, yeah, and it came right off when I did that. Okay, let's first look at the car here. Get these zip ties out of here. Oh, I remember. I like that it's got a metal bottom. I mean, it's kind of Team Losi type. So we got 4 clips here. Holds the body on. Let me go ahead and pull the body off. So I'm not to lose those clips. And there's the body. It's just a typical Lexan body. I almost kind of wish they hadn't painted it so I could do my own spill on the paint. Looks like it's a nice paint job though. And there's the car. Wow. Looks like it's got a receiver speed controller all in one unit. Turbo, it's got a turbo saver in it. It is 4-wheel drive. It looks like it's got a, that's good, it's got metal dog bones. How's the suspension feel? Yeah. It has a suspension. It's pretty tight though. I wonder if you can mod that and put softer springs in there. Those are pretty tight springs for this light of a car. But anyway, there's a unboxing there. There's what she looks like. Obviously, I gotta charge the battery and everything. Let me pick up the manual that I dropped here. What does it come with in the package? It comes with a spur set, I see. That's cool. Let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. Typical manual. Probably have to see how well it's translated. It looks like it's got a. Looks like some extra gear options there. They are plastic gears, but looks like an extra drive shaft gear for the 4-wheel, and looks like 3 different pinion sizes, and then a different spur gear size. And it comes with a little USB charger, which I've got higher end chargers. I'm in the RC pretty heavy, so I've got a nice charger, but it is nice that it included that little charger with there. Anyway, that is an unboxing. I believe it's the Wltoys. It's K989 is what it is. Pretty popular little car. I kind of looked at some other reviews before I purchased it. Like I said, it was like $60, $65. I was shocked. I actually got it because it was in the U.S. From Banggood. I got it in 4 days. So, I mean, that's pretty awesome. But anyway, there's a kind of a whole 360 look of it right there. From what I've seen in videos, these little cars scoot pretty good for their size. So anyway, I'll go ahead and get the battery charged, and then we'll next thing we'll do a little review on it. By the way, I have a 3D printer, and I'm kind of curious. I found these online to print these wheel covers. Looks pretty tight, but that's going to fit perfect. Look at that. So that goes on there, and what that'll do is, voila, that's going to be my drifting tire right there. So obviously you don't want rubber if you want to drift. We'll probably do some mods, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, they fit right on there, and those just come off my 3D printer. But anyway, enough for the box opening review. Next I'll have a review of it out on the concrete, cutting it up. Anyway, have a good day. Please subscribe. This is Electron Man. This video was produced by me, the Electron Man. And hey, if you get a chance, subscribe. It helps me out. And have a good day.